Здравствуйте, меня зовут Natalia. Hello, my name is Natalia, and this is a weekly Russian lesson. This lesson is the first in a series on Russian pronunciation or phonetics. Phonetics is a study of the language sound system. We write letters and pronounce sounds, and if you're an English speaker, you know all too well that one letter could be pronounced different ways in different words. So to understand what sounds to pronounce and why, we need a set of rules that govern pronunciation. And that's what these lessons are all about, the rules of Russian sound system. Russian alphabet has 33 letters. 10 denote vowel sounds, they're marked in red. 21 blue letters represent consonants, and 2 letters have no sound value. They're shown in green, and they're called soft and hard signs. Any Russian textbook starts with this type of table, which gives the closest English equivalent of the sound to each letter. One sound for each letter. The problem is the Russian sound system has 42 distinct sounds, and clearly not all of them are represented here. The reason for much larger number of Russian sounds is so-called palatalization of consonants. The easier way to say it is the softening or softness of consonants. 15 Russian consonants have pairs. Same letter could be pronounced either hard or soft. How do you know which one to pronounce, soft or hard? It all depends on the letters that follows the consonant. Let's look at 2 words, papa and пять, 5. Do you hear hard p in the word papa? Here p is followed by a, hard sound. And then пять, it's p. Letter ya after p indicates that it's supposed to be soft, p. So in this table, you see 15 pairs of hard and soft consonants and 6 non-paired sounds. So we'll need to practice all of them, a total of 36. So we have our work cut out for us. Another important concept to explore with Russian consonants is devoicing and voicing of the sounds. Some consonants form another set of pairs, voiced and voiceless sounds. And voiceless simply means that vocal cords are not used when we pronounce those sounds. For example, g is voiced and k is unvoiced. And then depending on the position in the word, these consonants can change their articulation, and voiced consonants become unvoiced and vice versa. To illustrate, there are 2 words written below. The first one is lug, written with letter g at the end, and it is translated as a meadow. And the second word is luk, translated as onion. And the last letter in this word is k. G is voiced, k is voiceless. But we pronounce them exactly the same at the end of the word. Both words sound identical as look. And this is the concept of devoicing of the final consonants in Russian. Remember, at the very beginning, we looked at Russian letter K and we said, well, it's pronounced as sound K. That's right, that's one of the ways to pronounce it, as hard K. Also, it could be pronounced as soft K. And if it becomes voiced, it could be pronounced as sound G. 3 different ways for same letter. There are also a number of rules that govern pronunciation of vowels, and the main one is the reduction and changes of vowels in unstressed position. A good example is the Russian letter O, which is pronounced as O only when under stress, and in unstressed position it's pronounced as short A. It gets reduced. Example word молоко. It's spelled with 3 letters O, but when we pronounce it, we only hear one O in the final syllable, which is stressed. Молоко. All that being said, Russian pronunciation is much more regular than English. The rules aren't many, and they're pretty straightforward and easy to grasp. Unlike Russian grammar, which is difficult, Russian phonetics don't require much time or effort to understand and master. Most words would sound correctly if you read them letter by letter. And here I'm not saying that all Russian sounds are easy. I'm just saying that the rules around them are pretty simple. I hope that I managed to convince you that phonetic rules are the most important thing that you need to understand and practice in the first stages of learning the language. In the next lesson, I will talk about 5 pairs of Russian vowels. We'll learn how to pronounce them and what are the rules that govern their pronunciation. I'm looking forward to seeing you on my channel and to teaching you. Good luck with your Russian studies, and thanks for watching. До свидания. Goodbye.